Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your DELL Pro 14 is not turning on. In such case, most probably your device is not being charged. If you're using an original charger, make sure that the signal reaches it. You can tell by the LED indicator glowing on your AC adapter when it's plugged into the power outlet. If not, then change the outlet, or just use a wall socket instead, and connect your charging cable to one of the available charging ports on the left edge of the laptop. So we have the standard barrel type charging port right here next to the display. We also have two USB-C ports, both can be used for charging, and if you plug in the charging cable into one of these ports, this will make the LED indicator next to the standard charging port blink, which indicates that your laptop is now being charged. If you saw it, then just give your device a moment and short press the power button to launch it. And if it's still not launching, then you should definitely reach out to Dell customer support assistant. Maybe it should replace the battery, maybe you should replace the AC adapter. I cannot tell at this point. But if your device is stuck on the boot logo, then you can repair it yourself. And all you have to do is launch the computer by short pressing the power button and then repeatedly click F12 in order to get into the boot menu. And here you can run diagnostics to check out what's wrong with your device's hardware. If you run the diagnostics, so if you navigate here using your arrow keys and press enter, this will start the automatic diagnostics process, which will tell you what's exactly wrong with your device's hardware. And if nothing is wrong, then you can navigate to the SupportAssist OS Recovery and run the repair process inside. Now, if we select this option, we're gonna have to go through some additional steps to eventually get to the recovery menu. So we're gonna have to connect our device to the Wi-Fi or to the Wi-Fi router directly using the Ethernet cable if you have one. Now, if you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, you have to select one from the list, preferably the one with the best connection speed. Enter the password to it and press enter to connect. Wait until the connection is established. Then your device will proceed to download the recovery image. Then it's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, you'll be able to access all the recovery features, which includes things like automatic repair and also the OS reinstallation, which could be your last resort. Of course, this option, the OS reinstallation, will also erase all data from your device. But let's wait until we are actually booted into the recovery menu so I can show you everything more visually. Okay, so once the recovery image is downloaded, we can skip the introduction, and here you can run the repair procedure which can itself fix your device, and after that you'll be able to restart your laptop back into the normal state. Or you can perform the full reset of your device by clicking Start Reset right here at the bottom. Before you do that, you can also back up your files in the same menu. So to do that, prepare an external SSD and connect it to your laptop. Now to exit from here, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.